Ide Medina now, do it right. Let's see how you do it. Oh, good job. To, all the way, to. Good job. Excellent. Excellent. Here we go. You're like Molly. To, Medina, to.
Let's try this one. I can over here. Come.
To, Medina. No, pusti je. Misli da joj govoriš da okreći. To, perfect. Straighten it out. She was correcting it. You screwed it up. You're good. A little bit more back. Straighten it out. But every time you stop, you fail. Because they'll fail you if you stop. I don't know why you stopped. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to nobody. Do it your way. Close the doors and windows. Arizona Motor Vehicle Division. This is for the testing for the driver's license. They bring you over here and you have to do this. From up there, 2 red lines, you come over here to the left and then you back up to your right. And if you straight in perfect and all that, then you go on a road test. Excellent. That was pretty good.
That's good.
Huh? Yeah, that's very good. Yeah.
Should I do one more time?
That was nice. Just don't go too much to the front, to the yellow post, whatever.
Okay, I'll do it.
And you need to back up more. To, hajde, idemo dalje. Duran, Kenan, what are you guys doing? Hajde. Here we go again. To, Medina, idemo sad. Hop. Idemo lijevo, između ova 2 kona do betonskih žutih postova, stubova. To. Good job. Sad idem opet skroz desno, motaj. All the way to the right. To, skroz desno, to. I sad polako ispravljaj, correct it. Correction, to, good job. Good, very good. Very good. Excellent. And when you pass this, you come this far, then they take you on the road. And this is Phoenix, Glendale, Peoria, and everything else in Arizona. Baja del Sol, Dolina Sunca.